The man who raped and murdered 23-year-old Delhi University student Priyadarshini Mattoo in 1996 is reportedly being considered for an early release from jail by the Sentence Review Board of Delhi. However, this procedure is in complete violation of the rules of the Sentence Review Board of Delhi itself. Santosh Singh, the son of IPS officer and former Joint Commissioner of Delhi Police JP Singh, was convicted for the crime in October 2006. The Delhi High Court awarded him the death sentence, which was commuted to a life term by the Supreme Court in 2010. Here is what the rules of the Sentence Review Board state. Certain categories of convicted prisoners undergoing life sentence would be entitled to be considered for premature release only after undergoing imprisonment for 20 years, including remissions. Following categories are mentioned in this connection: convicts who have been imprisoned for life for murder in heinous crimes such as murder with rape, convicts whose death sentence has been commuted to life imprisonment. Santosh Singh falls under both these categories. The rules clearly state that because he is convicted of rape and murder, he cannot be considered for premature release without undergoing imprisonment for at least 20 years. And here's the important fact: Santosh Singh has spent less than 16 years in jail, including remissions such as parole. Here's the simple arithmetic that the Sentence Review Board seems to have missed. Singh was acquitted by a trial court in December 1999 and convicted by the High Court in October 2006. The crime happened in January 1996. So in the 22.5 years since, if he was acquitted and out of jail for 7 years, he has clearly been in jail for less than 16 years. So to the Delhi Home Minister Satyendra Jain, who heads the Sentence Review Board, and to the other 6 board members, I have a question. Why has convicted rapist and murderer Santosh Singh's name been brought into consideration for premature release by flouting the board's own regulations?